Hey, what's up guys? Today we got this product called FireXNull. At first I thought it was just fire stop for enclosures, but it's something way different. I guess let's let the manufacturer explain it a lot better than I can.
FireXNull introduces a revolutionary fire safety solution featuring a new polymer that redefines protection standards. This advanced non-conductive material, enhanced with nanotechnology, is not only durable and stable, but also operates independently of power. Our FXN series leverages nanofluorinated ketones to combat all fire classes, A to E, in various settings. Upon heat detection up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, microcapsules within the series melt and release an eco-friendly agent, FK5112, which transitions from liquid to gas. This agent rapidly absorbs heat and vaporizes, drawing significant energy from the fire. It's about 20 times more efficient than water. Additionally, it slightly disrupts the fire's combustion process, offers non-conductive properties to protect electronic equipment in enclosed places, and is non-toxic and eco-friendly, ensuring safety for humans and the environment. This innovative nanotechnology-driven product leaves no residue and decomposes under UV light. This makes FireXNull the choice for a safer, environmentally friendly future. Explore our website to learn more about our cutting-edge fire safety solutions. FireXNull, the future of safety.
Here's a quick look at the sticker. Easy to peel. Go ahead and put it internally on the top. 4 different sizes available. And here's a look at the rope. Protects mid to large size enclosures, quick and easy installation, maintenance free, cost effective solution, electrically non-conductive, leaves no residue, eco-friendly system, and the tape. It's pretty straightforward tape.
Introducing the FXN series, your first line of defense against electrical fires, featuring our patented composite material, activity binder, and eco-friendly extinguishing agent in microcapsules. The FXN sticker is designed for small enclosures up to 400 amps. It activates at 250 degrees Fahrenheit and quickly suppresses fires. It seamlessly integrates into any space. For larger enclosed areas, the FXN rope triggers at 430 degrees Fahrenheit and efficiently extinguishes initial fires. It ensures device safety in commercial and industrial settings. FXN tape is perfect for wire connections. It provides immediate fire suppression to protect your electrical systems. With a 5-year lifespan and multiple innovation awards, the UL certified FXN series gives you peace of mind. FireXNull, the future of safety. Visit our website for more information.
Okay, so now that I made myself paranoid about safety with enclosures, about fires and stuff like that, it feels like maybe every one of these enclosures should have these. They're fairly inexpensive, and we do have them in stock. Order online at discountlowvoltage.com. Thanks.